Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video tutorial on PostInfluencer.app. Are you looking to level up your LinkedIn game with engaging post copies but find yourself struggling with the right format? Well, you are in luck. PostInfluencer.app is a fantastic AI-powered tool that simplifies the process and creates LinkedIn post copies in various formats. Best of all, it's absolutely free to use. So let's dive right in and discover how this user-friendly tool can revolutionize your LinkedIn presence. To get started, open your web browser and head over to PostInfluencer.app. Once the page loads, you will be greeted with a simple and straightforward interface. Now it's time to create our first LinkedIn post copy using PostInfluencer.app. Write a concise one-liner that encapsulates the essence of our post copy. This line will act as the starting point for the AI to generate the complete copy. Once you have written the one-liner, you need to select the perfect format for your post. PostInfluencer.app offers various options like ADA, Waves, Story, Clear, Simple, and even the Hero's Journey format. So once you have selected the right format for your post and written the one-liner, you need to select the right type for your post. Whether you need to write a paragraph format or a listicle format, just select it from the drop-down list. Once you have written the one-liner and selected the right format, hit the Generate button. Watch the magic happen. PostInfluence.app's powerful AI engine will instantly generate a compelling and well-structured post copy for your LinkedIn content. Now the AI has done its job. You have the option to further customize the generated copy. You can tweak sentences, add personal touches, and make it even more tailored. With the final copy ready, you can just click on the copy button and then paste the copy in your LinkedIn post. And there you have it. PostInfluencer.app, your new best friend for creating outstanding LinkedIn post copies effortlessly. With its range of formats and AI-powered assistance, this tool will undoubtedly help you stand out in the LinkedIn crowd. So what are you waiting for? Give PostInfluencer.app a try and watch your LinkedIn engagement soar.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.